Today I'm going to be a bit indecisive, all right, and I don't know what to do. Okay, I have purchased this. Okay, the Apple Airpods Max. All right, so I couldn't resist. Okay, I couldn't resist. The price was so attractive. Okay, and so they call it Apple calls this the smart case, but I call this the smart bra. Okay, so I've not unboxed it yet. Okay, so I'm really in a dilemma. Okay, I'm not sure if I should unbox it. Okay, it looks gorgeous. Okay, at least from the outside. Okay, so let me know if I should unbox it. Okay, okay, bye. I have decided to unbox it. All right, so here it is. Here it goes. Oh wow. Okay. So what you see is the smart case, and this is how it looks like, and it's pretty heavy. Okay, so let me see. Oh wow, it feels very heavy indeed. Okay, so so it's a magnetic case here. Okay, so let me leave it up. Wow. Okay, so over here, yeah. So it's what material is this? Is it some hard plastic? No, it's hard paper. So okay, and this is the, let me see. So which one is the left and which one is the right? So okay, I guess this is the right side and this is the left side. So this is the orientation. Okay, so this is the orientation. So that what do you have? What else do you have inside the box? So okay, so you have this probably some stickers and some instructions manual, and you have a lightning cable, and that's it. Okay, that's all you have. Okay, so let me test it out. Okay, so thank you for watching. All right, so right now I think you can see I'm wearing the AirPods Max. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, I would say it's quite heavy at first, and let me play with it for a few days, and I'm going to tell you guys once again how I feel after a few days. Okay, so thank you.